Hello viewers. Many people are actually planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus during Sasa Lele sale. But today if you check out flipkart.com, you will see that Tab S10 FE Plus is being sold at a price point of 48,000 rupees, and if you have HDFC credit card, in that case you will get 7,000 rupees cashback, that is instant cashback, and the final price will be 41,000 rupees. Though the pricing looks very good, but if you wait till Sasa Lele sale, you will get more discounts. They are teasing that they will set the price up to 38,000 rupees. So I think you should definitely wait till Sasa Lele sale starts. And in that sale you will get discounts on SBI credit card. So if you don't have SBI credit card, in that case you can definitely make the purchase with HDFC credit card now, but you have to pay another 3,000 rupees. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus is a very good tablet with large display, and the display quality is excellent. You can enjoy multimedia contents on this display. Though it is not an AMOLED one, yet you will feel that the display quality is excellent for video consumption. Also, it has a very large battery to give you enough juice, and you can use this for around 10 hours plus SOT on a single charge. That is incredible. As it comes with Exynos 1580 processor, you cannot expect too much of performance from this tablet, but casual gaming and casual video editing and also multitasking will be very good on this tablet. However, you will get sustained performance from this tablet as it is a reputed brand tablet, that is Samsung. Plus you will get regular software updates on this tablet, so you don't have to worry about anything. Plus you will get Samsung AI. If you are a creative person, in that case you can make use of the S Pen, and using the S Pen you can draw, you can make many more things, and there are lots of features, and S Pen will definitely give you an edge. So in the conclusion, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, wait till 8th of May when you will get this tablet to buy at around 38,000 rupees with SBI credit card. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this tablet or not. If you want alternative to this tablet, you can definitely buy Oneplus Pad 2 or Oneplus Pad 3. And if you have a lower budget, in that case you can consider Xiaomi Pad 8 for all-round performance. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.